Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by powering off the phone and removing any case. That prevents movement and catches chips. Once done, wipe around the edges with a microfiber cloth so dust won't scratch the screen beneath. Next, use a strong fingernail or an adhesive tab to lift a single corner. Push the tab under the protector and pull up slowly. The why? Lifting one corner creates a controlled separation point, so the rest peels with minimal stress and less chance of glass shards. Once a corner is free, continue peeling at a low angle. Pull steadily and slowly rather than jerking. If cracks are present, apply clear packing tape over the break to hold fragments as you lift. This prevents shards from falling onto the display. Make sure to keep a small handheld vacuum or sticky putty available to collect loose dust and flakes immediately. This keeps particles off the actual screen. Why? Slow, controlled motion reduces stress on both protector and phone glass, so you avoid additional damage. After the protector is off, use 70% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth and wipe in gentle circular motions to remove adhesive residue. Make sure residue is fully gone so a new protector sticks. Inspect the screen closely for chips. If you see glass fragments embedded or sharp chips, stop and consult a repair shop to avoid cutting yourself later. Finally, align and apply a replacement protector, pressing from the center outward to expel bubbles. If a bubble or residue won't come out, re-clean and realign once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.